Hey there, it's Christian from RackNerd. Did you know that you can install WordPress on your VPS in just one command? If you're using myVestaCP, this process is incredibly fast, thanks to a built-in script called Install WordPress. So whether you're setting up a personal blog, a portfolio site, or an e-commerce store, myVestaCP makes it super easy, and the best part, it is completely free. So let's dive in. So first things first, to make sure that myVestaCP is already installed on your VPS. If not, check out our previous video on YouTube about how to install myVestaCP. It should be pretty easy. Now, once that's done, let's go ahead and jump right into my screen here and get started with the tutorial. First, let's log into our myVestaCP dashboard. Once logged in, click on Web from the top menu and then click Add Domain. We'll enter our domain name, leave the default settings as they are, and click Add. With our new domain now added, let's edit our domain again to set up our Let's Encrypt SSL by simply enabling SSL support, and Let's Encrypt here by hitting Save again. Now it's time to install WordPress. So let's open our SSH client and connect to our server. To install WordPress, simply run this command. Make sure you replace it with your own domain name though. And that's pretty much it. Once we run this command, the script will create a database, install WordPress files, print the login credentials for us to access WordPress. Everything is automatically done for you with one line of code. Just a quick note, this script will delete all files in the public_HTML folder of our domain. So if we're starting out fresh and don't mind overwriting those existing files, we're good to go. Now, after the installation, you will see something similar to this. WordPress has successfully been installed. So let's make sure to copy these credentials and store them somewhere safe because we're gonna need them. And now we can log into our WordPress dashboard by going to https://yourdomain.com/wp-admin and using those credentials that were provided. As you can see here, my WordPress site is good to go. And that's how we can install WordPress automatically using myVestaCP with one command. If this guide helped you, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to us here on RackNerd TV for more tutorials just like this one. For top-notch VPS hosting, visit racknerd.com and talk soon. Thanks for watching.